Jain to Kakinada, 23 regulation, first BTech second semester regular examination, subject chemistry, set number 3, common to ECE, IT, CSE allied branches. Part A, 2 marks questions, 10 ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది, no choice అనమాట. What are the advantages of molecular orbital theory? Compare orbital and node. Give applications of superconductors. Give the example of 0 and 1 dimensional nanomaterials. Give Nernst equation. What are the terms involved in the equation? Define primary cell. Give examples. What is addition polymerization? Give example. What is the importance of the conducting polymers? Gives various types of electronic transitions. What is Beer-Lambert's law? Part B, ఒక్కొక్క యూనిట్ నుంచి 10 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి అటెంప్ట్ చేసే విధంగా ఉంటుంది. 10 into 5 50 మార్క్స్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ మనకు చాయిస్ పార్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఏదర్ ఆర్ టైపు. Derive the Schrödinger wave equation for particle in one dimensional box. Draw energy level diagram of CO molecule. Calculate bond order. Describe pi molecular orbital of benzene and 1,3 beta diene in details. Define superconductors. Explain its applications. Compare graphene and nanotubes. Classify supercapacitors. Give its applications. Write engineering applications of fullerenes. What is potentiometry? Explain redox titrations. Differentiate primary batteries with secondary batteries with example and explain working principle of fuel cells. Explain conductometric titrations for strong acid and strong base with example. Describe the working principle of PEMFC with need diagram. Explain step growth polymerization mechanism by taking suitable example. Give brief notes on carbon fibers and their important applications. Describe about polyglycolic acid and polylactic acid biodegradable polymers. Give preparation properties applications of PVC. Describe IR spectroscopy with block diagram and their selection rules. Explain classification and basic working principle of chromatography. Thank you.